Hello, so for this crochet flower you are going to need yarn, crochet hook, mine is 5 mm, crochet needle, a pair of scissors, some beads and a glue. So first we are going to make magic circle. And then we are going to make 6 single crochets into this circle. Then we are going to pull the yarn to close the circle and slip stitch into the first single crochet. Then we are going to do the first petal. So there are 6 of them, and it's the same process for every one of them. So chain 2 and make 5 half double crochets into the first loop. Then you just pull through every one of them and chain 3. When you chain 3, you just slip stitch into the next loop. Then again chain 2 and make 5 half double crochets into this loop. Again chain 3 and slip stitch into the next loop. And you repeat this process until you reach the end of the row or until you make 6 petals. When you make the 6th petal, you again also slip stitch that chain 3 into the next loop, and you just cut the yarn, and then you just do this to get that puff look of petals. Then turn your flower, take crochet needle, and pull through back part of the petal, and then you just cut the extra. Then you can add pearls. I'm using 8mm pearls, and you can just glue them or you can sew them with thread and a needle. So I'm going to glue mine we just put glue in the middle of the flower and put the bead. And here is your crochet flower.